Today, we are diving into the world of NodeRed, an incredible flow-based development tool for visual programming. We'll create a fun and interactive math quiz that can add a bit of excitement to your web dashboards. So, let's get started. Here's a quick overview of what we'll be building today. Our flow will generate a random math question, display it on a web dashboard, and check the user's answer, giving instant feedback with a happy or sad emoji. Let's break down the flow. Generate question on load. We'll start with an inject node that triggers automatically when the flow is deployed. This node will generate a math question. Generate random numbers. Next, a function node will create two random numbers and form a question. It also stores the correct answer in the flow context. Display question. A UI template node will then display the question on our dashboard, allowing users to input their answer. Check answer. Another function node will check the user's answer against the correct answer and determine if it's correct or not. Display result. Finally, another UI template node will show a happy or sad emoji based on the user's answer. Our flow starts with the inject node. This node is configured to trigger once when the flow starts, immediately sending a message to the next node. It's set to fire off a message right when the flow is deployed, getting our quiz started without any delay. This function node is where the magic happens. It generates two random numbers between 1 and 10 and forms our question. Let's look at the code. We are storing the sum in the flow context so we can use it later to check the answer. This UI template node takes care of displaying the question on our web dashboard. It uses some basic HTML and AngularJS for data binding. The user can input their answer and submit it with a button click, sending the answer for validation. Next, we have our function node that checks the user's answer. This node retrieves the correct sum from the flow context and compares it with the user's input. Depending on whether the answer is correct, it sets an emoji and a color which will be displayed to the user. Finally, this UI template node shows the result with a big, colorful emoji. It dynamically changes based on the feedback from the previous node. So there you have it. A simple yet fun math quiz application using NodeRed. This kind of setup can be used in various real-time scenarios like educational tools, interactive kiosks, or even as a playful element in web dashboards to keep users engaged. Host, if you want to try this out yourself, I've provided the flow code in the description below. Feel free to customize and expand it as per your needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. Happy coding!